Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See how the price of gold has moved previously. You have to understand looking at this particular chart, because if you are a beginner you have to understand if you have to invest for a long view or a shorter view. See, for a long view you have seen that it is an uptrend after 2019. Okay, after pandemic what we have seen, there is a continuous high. After that what happens, whenever it is was making a new high, okay, this is the range where the price is moving still. And as soon as this breakout happens, we have seen there's a big movement happen and made a high of around 2435, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above this level, a further upside movement we can see, because this is a similar pattern what we have seen at this particular level. See, this was the range, same range, this was the range, same range. After that there is a high. Okay, if you look at this, there is a high from 2003 to till 2013, there was a high, and after that there is a fall. Until now we have not seen this level, so it has moved out of this zone, and similarly it has moved out of this zone. So probability can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 2068, we can see there will be an upside. If I'm telling you for a longer view, but if you're looking for a shorter view week wise, so you have to look at this particular trend what we have seen. From 2 weeks there is a continuous downfall, but previously 4 5 weeks we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart. This is a U pattern is forming, that is from 2012 to 2020. Okay, and this similar pattern, this is a ATM pattern and this is a 2-year pattern. Similar pattern is forming and it is making a new high, because this level is already being tested once. So chances was very high that if a price touch this particular level, bounce back, and this will play as a strong resistance, there is a chances that it will bounce back, or if it crosses this level then it goes upside, but chances are high that it will move back when it is being tested for the once. Okay, now after that a profit booking came, that is where it moves down. If you look at this trend also, there is a downfall. Similarly, when it moves upside for the third time, it didn't cross this level. Okay, it's being tested twice, but probability was very high that it should have crossed, but it didn't cross. What happened? It again bounced back. So probability was very high at this particular level, and for this particular level it will go high. So it went high around $30 after this particular, and then when it came again, we have seen a half on $2435. This is what I have explained you for how the price of has moved for around 10 years. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Now from 2 weeks, look at the dollar index also, it has moved below a level of $106 even from the 105.5, and chances can be high it can go further low, because there is a probability, but it has not moved below this particular level, and this is a strong support, a level of around 104.9. so from there a bounce back can come. If it bounce back from this particular level, we can see the gold price can move further low, because they are inversely related. Okay, but if the price started falling below this particular level of 104.9, then we will see it will go further low, and then the price of gold can go further upside. Okay, other factors are also responsible, but this is the main thing. Okay, so you have to understand. See what we can see looking at this particular chart, that it can go high, but always remember market is uncertain, so always try to set your SL. If you are setting your SL, you will save your capital. If you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, now come back on the gold chart. If the price didn't sustain, let's see what we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards its next support coming at a level of $22.90. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then the next support coming at a level of $22.79. Okay, and once the price started falling below $22.79, a further downfall we can see, and chances are high it will go further down, and from there a probability of touching a level of around $22.38. Okay, Keep that in mind that as soon as the price started going below a level of 22.38, chances are very high that it will go further low, and yes, from there a probability of touching a level of $22.28. Okay, and if that level move further low, we can see it will go towards a level of $22.21. Okay, now if the price started moving below 22.21, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2197. Okay, and if that level move further low, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2187. Keep that in mind that chances are very high it can move below this particular level, because today there is an event is happening. So chances of going further down, we can see if the price started coming to this level, and we can see it will go towards a level of $2164. Okay, and if the price started moving below a level of 2164, we will see it will fall further low, and it will move below a level of 2147. Keep that in mind that as soon as the price started going below 2147, which has already been weak and a strong support, okay, so a bounce back can come from this level. At this level we can see this be weak, so chances are it will fall, but if it start going above this level, then it will sustain this level. Okay, so chances are if it moves below that particular level, then a strong going towards strong support of 2088 we can see, and then if it moves below that level, a further downfall. But remember something, that these are the some of the supports which I have told you. So bounce back can come at this level, or if it moves below this level, then the next support will touch. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, you have to understand that, see, it is making a hammer, opposite red hammer we can see, so probability can be high it can go further low. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards its next resistance at a level of $23.29. if the price sustain above that particular level, because if you look at this 23.29 is already being at this particular resistance, if that level move further upside, we will see a level of 23.44. Okay, this 22.44 is already being a resistance high, which is a weak high. So if it sustain this level, we can see it will go further upside, and chances of touching $23.89 we can see. And once the price started sustaining above 23.89, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 24.16, and then we can see a further high towards a level of around $24.32. Okay, and once the price started sustaining above 24.32, a further high we can see towards $24.50, and from there a level of 24.70, and then further upside. Keep that in mind that as soon as the price started going above level, keep trailing by $15, so that your profit should not be wiped out, even you can make a good profit ahead. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, when the event is coming today, so you have to be remember that the market can be good volatile, so always try to set your SL. Okay, hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,